rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have...
Alright, good morning! Vlog. It's like not even morning anymore, it's 11:30. I am having myself a morning. I don't go into work until later. I don't go into work until later. And I was gonna wake up and go to the gym this morning. Like, I didn't feel like going. So I'm gonna go after I get off. Because I just wanted to have one morning where I like get to lay in bed and do nothing, because I haven't done that a single day this break, where I just like lay in bed. So I really just wanted to do that because I feel like I've been like so go in the mornings, and then like at night I just come home and crash. And so I wanted to just rest, and then I'll work out tonight. But right now I'm just watching YouTube, and that's it. Okay, so it's a little bit later now, and I just did my makeup, and I'm just watching some Handmaid's Tale. That's a commercial, but while I did it, I'm on season 2. I'm pretty sure I'm almost done with it, which is like really sad because it's so good, so good. But yeah, so I'm about to get dressed, but I am not exactly sure what I want to wear. I'm thinking about wearing these cute overall like skirt thing, because it's only hold on, it is 62 outside, so like I could wear this and like a cute sweater underneath. So I might wear like maybe a cream one or something, might be kind of cute. Not sure, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then I gotta head to work.
You just gotta let go.
Okay guys, so I just got back from work, and oh my god, my bag really left a mark on my shoulder. Anyway, I just got back from work. I'm about to make my bed because it's very messy. I didn't make it this morning. And then I just got an urban package in the mail. Look how cute this is. They put like metallic. I just got an urban package in the mail, which I'm going to show to you guys, hopefully, and do a little haul. But first, I'm going to go to the gym. So I will show you what I got after the gym. But yeah, so let's go. Also, I'm wearing this ring, which I like never wear. I wanted to wear it on my middle finger, but my hands were swollen earlier because I was hot. But yeah, so it's like funny to see myself wearing it. But yeah, so let's go to the gym. Okay, so I just got to the gym, and my hair's just like in this nappy little bun. But yeah, I took all my makeup off and stuff because I hate working out with makeup on. But oh wait, weird. Okay, so like I go to a really small, literally all the lights in my car are on right now, so like I am very visible to anyone who walks by. So I'm like, oh God, someone's watching me. Anyway, so I go to a really small gym, like, and it's like kind of old, but I like it because we only have like 2 gyms in the town where I live. And the other one is newer and it's nice, but it's just like really expensive. And then we're getting a 3rd gym, which is supposed to be nice and like, I think like pretty affordable, but it won't be done until like later this month, and like I'll already be leaving, so it's pointless for me to even like try to get a membership. So I go to LaGrange. Wait, I'm not gonna tell you what gym that I go to. I mean, even though like I don't think it matters, like I don't have that many viewers. But anyway, so I go to this really small gym in my town, and it basically I like it because the other gym is more expensive, and the only weights it really has, like, it doesn't have a whole lot of like free weights. It's all like the machine weights, or like the weights that are hooked up to the cables. Like I don't really like those. I like just like free, like bench press and free squat and like all that. And so look, the gym I go to has that, but the guy who owns it, like he just like owns the gym, but he's like fit and stuff, like he obviously uses it, but he is like an interesting person, and he only does the gym like part-time, I think. Like he has like a full-time job, and then he just owns the gym on the side. And like when you get a membership here, like he comes and that was weird. He comes and gives you like a tour around the gym, you know, like typical stuff, and he like tells you all the rules, and you have to like sign up, which is normal. But like he was a little like hardcore when I went and signed up, like during the last summer. And then so when I came down for winter break, like I just called him. I was like, hey, I want to renew my membership, blah 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 blah. He was like, okay. Well, like I've never seen him like in the gym working out, but he's in there right now. And like I never really know if he remembers who I am, because whenever I see him like in the grocery store and stuff, he never says hi, which like I think is a little weird. And like I don't want to make the first move and be like, oh hi, how are you, because I don't want him to be like who is this girl, because I've only talked to him in person once, but I've talked to him on the phone twice. So, and that's it. Like, and then like if you're a member, he takes your picture and like he puts it up on this like photo wall thing of all the members. That way, like I guess it helps him keep track of like who's a member and who's not a member. I don't really know like why he does that, but because like you don't get a key to go to the gym, like it's a 24-hour gym, but it just has a number code, and so he just tells you the number code, and then he switches it every quarter, so like 4 times a year. And so like he doesn't have like a computer register of like everyone that's part of the gym. Like he just puts it on the wall, and so like he's in there working out, and like I've never seen him work out before, so that's just like weird. But anyway, so right now I'm waiting for Ezekiel to get off of work. He gets off at 6:45, so it's like 6:30 right now, and then he's gonna come work out with me. He wanted to work out together today again, so we're gonna do that. But until then, like while we're just sitting here, I like to, one thing, I don't take any like pre-workout or anything. Like I've got like I need to get a facial so bad. Anyway, I don't take any like pre-workout or anything, because like I don't know, I've just never taken it, and like it tastes like, I've taken it once and it tastes funny, and like I took it before I went on a run, and like I didn't really see that big of a difference in like my workout, so I just never took it again. I also just got like a very generic kind, so like I probably didn't even get a good kind. But I know some people like to eat or drink pre-workout before, or like a protein shake or something. But I like to just eat. So I haven't eaten anything. Most of the time I work out in the morning, and I don't like to eat like a full breakfast before I work out. So most of the time I'll just eat like a Lara bar. I just like half opened this one. But I like the almond butter chocolate chip one. That's my favorite. It's also probably like the least healthiest food for you, but whatever, I don't care. It's still good. Oh my god, it's just so good. Is this person in the park next to me? Anyway. Oh, yep. Okay, I gotta go. I can't. I mean, I guess I can talk right now. It's just gonna be dark. But I don't want to, like, have all my lights on. I'm literally sitting right in front of the gym. Like, all my lights are on. Like, I don't want people to be like, this girl. But anyway. I also want to hurry up and go in because it doesn't look like there's a lot of people in here. I want to go before it gets super busy. Hopefully it already got busy. I don't know though. Oh, but anyway. Some people like to eat pre-work. I just stared at me. God, people on the range are so freaking weird. I just told you where I live, but like, I don't even care. They're just weird. Oh, anyway, I feel like it got darker. I don't know what's going on. But, oh yeah, so I usually work out in the morning and I don't like eating a full breakfast before I work out. So I always eat a Lara bar or like some kind of protein bar or like breakfast bar. I try to get one that doesn't have like a ton of sugar or something, you know, that's like semi-healthy for you. And so that's why I do the Lara bars. Plus I really like this flavor. But yeah, so I'm just eating that right now because I've only eaten once today since I like had such a chill morning. I ate a really late breakfast. And like a lunch, like it was like lunchtime, it was like 12 o'clock when I ate. So I had chocolate in my tea, sorry. So I wasn't hungry, but now it's 6:30 or 6:40 almost, and so oops. Oh, yeah. Wait, legit? I don't know what's going on. I don't know if these are just kids playing or like, I can't tell if it's kids. Okay, so basically, hold on, I'm trying to watch. There's like a laundromat. So the gym is kind of in like, not, okay, I live in a small town. I live in a really safe town. Like, there's barely any crime that goes on here. Anyway, but like, so when I say the sketchy area of my town, like, just know it's not even a sketchy area. Like, it's like kind of sketchy, like, what is going on? But like, that was awkward. But like, I would never be like, I think the only thing that like ever really goes down is like drugs. But like, I don't really, there's never like murders or like, no one ever gets kidnapped, you know, like that just doesn't happen. But anyway, oh shit. Oh, I think they might have just been kids. I don't know though, that looked pretty intense. But anyway, so there's this laundromat. And I'm pretty sure it's like the only one in my town. I mean, there might be like another one. But, and there's always people that just like hang out there. Like, it's not like, like every time I come to the gym, there's people like just hanging out outside, and then the gym, and then right across is like the laundromat. But I looked back, and these people are like legit fighting. Like, there's a fight going on, and I'm like, okay, I don't know if it's just like kids are playing, but like it looked pretty like intense. Like, they were like going at each other. So I don't really know what just happened, but they stopped. So I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I'm basically just bored. And I wanted to talk about how I eat a Lara bar before I work out. We just got done working out, and we had to go get water and pickle juice because he has cramps.
Hashtag dead.
He couldn't keep up with my workout.
Whatever.
Just saying. Right, you couldn't keep up. Hey, don't put that in my seat. He couldn't keep up. We did a BBG leg workout, and he couldn't keep up. I'm just giving you shit. I mean crap for that.
You said shit on there.
Because ex-football player couldn't keep up with me.
It's been like 2 years.
I know.
Leave me alone. She's a bully. Don't follow her. Don't subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. Subscribe, bitches.
Okay, so we're eating dinner.
A bad dinner after gym.
Mom made king ranch chicken with garlic bread, and we're sharing this out.
We got this thing.